Hello everybody in Slovenia. It's great to be here tonight in Austria. We have your leaders here, Damian, Irena and Bostian. We also have two special guests here that tonight they're going to just send you a quick message. Two of the top executives that we have. We have Dan Norman here. On the right is president of the company, and you have on the left the CEO and chairman of our group. Amazing people. I'm looking forward to come back to Slovenia. You guys did a great job last time I was there. So keep pushing, and you guys already, I can see the numbers are growing. I see rank advancement, so I'm excited about it. Back to you, Dan.
Hello, Synergy Slovenia. It's nice to talk to you. We've been on a European tour, the Synergy Vision Tour. We've seen great crowds in England, in Norway, Helsinki, and now we're here in Austria. And there's a lot of excitement, a lot of energy. So what I want each one of you to do is work hard, bring as many people as possible to the Vienna Summit in September, and you'll see a whole new Synergy 2.0. So keep working hard and good luck.
So, thank you very much, David. This is fantastic. I'm going to have the CEO and chairman of our group say a few inspiring words. Go ahead, Greg.
Great. Hello, Slovenia. How you doing out there? It's great to be with you tonight. We're here having a great meeting with several hundred leaders, and I hope someday to come visit you in your country. We're taking Synergy to new levels. Tonight we're going to talk about our vision, and I know Synergy is just getting started. So you're at the right place, the right company at the right time. So have great success. I wish you all the success in the world. Have a great meeting. Take care.